A lot of you found my channel because I was one of the first English YouTubers to make a video about the Xiaomi Mi AirDots. And it looks like if I get my AirDots in the next 2 to 3 days, I'll be the first YouTuber to make a video about the Xiaomi Mi AirDots Pro in English. And a lot of people in my Telegram group, which you should join, linked to in the comment section down below, were asking me, how do you get Xiaomi products so early? So in today's video, I am going to break down how I have access to these products here in Vietnam. Hey, my name is Mitchell. If you're new to my channel, I make videos about the tech I use, things like cell phones, laptops, cameras, and drones. And if you're looking to pick up the original Xiaomi Mi AirDots or anything and you want to support my channel, I have links to GearBest, AliExpress, Banggood, and Amazon in the description down below. And we're actually going to be talking a little bit more about those affiliate links in a minute. If you're on Telegram, go ahead and join my Telegram community. We talk about everything from Android phones to rooting, to ROMs, to kernels, to Xiaomi release products or availability and travel. And it's a great place to go if you want to further the discussion or if you want to go ahead and request a video. A lot of the content that I do here on this channel, including this video, is oftentimes inspired by or suggested by people in that Telegram group. So if there's something you want to see, go ahead, join the group, let me know. So this question was brought up specifically because people are wondering how I get the products and what resources I have, along with some just kind of general overall questions about Xiaomi distribution. So to first address how I get them, I live in northern Vietnam. I'm about 250, 300 kilometers away from the border with China. And I have a importer. Now, this importer gets all of the products that Xiaomi corporate brings to Vietnam. But because there is a demand for products that are not available in Vietnam, they have a service, or they have like an importer, I guess you could say, that buys products directly from Xiaomi in China. They bring it across the border into Vietnam, whether it's legally or they're illegally brought in, I don't know. But what's important is that the store will go ahead and put their own warranty that matches Xiaomi's warranty on the product. They keep your phone number, and that's how they do their warranty stuff here. If you buy stuff directly through the Xiaomi store, like what we have here in some of our bigger malls, that stuff is bought directly from Xiaomi. It's one of their flagship stores. So I buy things generally through like a private importer. They have access to everything that is available in China within 2 to 4 days. Now, in regards to markup or extra that I pay, I believe the AirDots retailed in China for approximately $30 to $35. And I paid around US $44. For the AirDots Pro, which I am going to go to the store and pre-order today, I think they might be 20, 25 bucks over MSRP, so probably 70, 75 bucks. Now, that includes tax, that includes everything. So from my perspective, at least, to buy something from a service like this or from my specific retailer, I'm paying pretty close to what I would pay in regards to markup for tax in America. Because if I bought a $50 item on Amazon, I would have $5 sales tax. It's approximately 10%. I don't find the marginal markup that they put on it to be any more kind of taxing than just paying taxes in America would. Now, that specifically answers how I have the availability of products. How I afford to pay for the products that I use is twofold. The first part of it is that there's a lot of products that Xiaomi makes that I would buy regardless. Just items that I need to have in my life or things that I want to have in my life that I can justify buying. And for a lot of other things, such as the Mi AirDots Pro, because I already have a pair of AirDots and I already have another pair of truly wireless headphones, I take all of the money I get from my affiliate links and from the YouTube ad revenue, and that pretty much goes into funding to purchase more products for this channel. Real quick, to touch on some of those affiliate links, I actually have bargains and deals in those affiliate links. I've got $5 off the QCY-T1s. I've got $20 off the Pocophone F1 in both the 64 gig and 128 gig variation. I have discounts on the Mi 8 Lite and a couple other Xiaomi phones. So if you're looking to get a new cell phone, if I have a coupon on it, go ahead and use that, and I'll post all that stuff in the description. My girlfriend is really, really supportive, but if I wasn't making any money on affiliate links or on YouTube ad revenue, she would kill me for buying my third or fourth pair of truly wireless headphones just to promote on or talk about on a channel. If you guys are hesitant about using my affiliate links or you don't want to support my channel, just know that the people that support this channel are the people that help it grow, because that money directly goes to buying new or more products. And in return for that, I make videos, I answer questions, and I try to at least inform consumers as much as possible on what I think a good value product is. That's gonna wrap up today's video. I've got some reviews coming on the way of some headphones. I've got a AirDots comparison video. I'm gonna be doing a smart home update because I now have 4 smart lights plus my air purifier in my bedroom, and it's all connected over Wi-Fi, and I have control of it from my tablet or my cell phone. So I am going to be doing a smart home kind of update video because it's great. I already have the review of the Xiaomi Mi desk lamp finished. I'm just waiting to drop that on you guys. And if you want to see more videos about Xiaomi products, about just kind of tech or gear or things that I would consider a good value, go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below. And if you want to go ahead and take the conversation to Telegram, my Telegram community is also in the description down below. And if you want to support my channel, which I, again, really appreciate and it helps keep my channel going, go ahead and use my affiliate links. And until next time, guys, it's been Mitchell coming to you from Hanoi. Peace.